apps affairs show you
How to turn on and see captions on Instagram Reel. Follow these easy steps to see any Reels captions. First of all, go to your Instagram and select Reel. Search for a Reel and now tap on these three dots. And here tap on Manage Captions. And now to see these Reel video captions, just turn on Captions. And now here you will get these Reel video captions. And you won't get the captions option for all reels. Suppose I'm going to tapping on this three dot for this reel. As you can see, this reel video doesn't have the captions. Just tap on Manage Captions and enable captions to see the video captions. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.